No, it's okay. And we put the coffee here, the cup here with some milk in, and then we press the button and it opens up and kicks out the old one, and then I put a new pod in. This is a fancy gold one. And then we press the button down again. Pop, it's ready to go. And then we go like this. And then it goes, oh, coffee. And it's got a little water thing at the back, just there. Oh, here it comes. Oh, just as good as barista coffee. Ooh. Oh, Nespresso stuff. Ooh. Coffee at the press of a button. Ooh. Nearly full. Wonderful coffee smell. Yes. Maybe you need one of these. We got ours from Big W. Got a real good deal too, because we got coffee and we got 100 pods. Did we get 100 pods? 100 pods, like heaps of pods, and each of these boxes have got like, oh my board. Yeah. And yeah. Oh, there it is. Look. Oh, it's finished. Oh. Coffee.